it's great to see you again. Today I'm going to teach you something very simple, how to say what you would prefer when you have a choice between two things. The first way is very easy. I prefer. After I prefer, you can go to the infinitive verb, to shop, to be, to eat, to travel, or you can go to the gerund, ing. I prefer living. I prefer swimming to cycling. What is the difference? The two ones, to shop, to travel, refer to shorter, more purposeful actions. But the ing refers to long activities that take time. So that's an easy way to remember the difference. I prefer to verb or I prefer ing. Number 2, would rather. And notice when we pronounce this, it's very hard to hear. I'd rather. Can you say that? I'd rather. So this person says, I'd rather live in the city than the countryside. Maybe the countryside is too quiet. And this person says, I'd rather read a real book than read on my phone. Sometimes it's a little bit small on your phone. And notice, after rather, it is the base form of the verb. Live, read. No to, no ing. The third way is for something that is imaginary. It is not real. Let's read this one together. If I had a choice, I'd live in the countryside. But I'm a student right now, so I need to live in the city on the university campus. If I had a choice, I'd live. The next one. If I had a choice, I'd go to Spain instead of China. But the reality is my company's office is in China. So I need to do my business in Shanghai, as this picture suggests. So in both these sentences, the speaker does not have a choice. He is imagining, or she is imagining, that she had the choice. Why is this so important? If you are doing an exam like IELTS, it's very, very common. I almost guarantee that the examiner will ask you a question like, would you rather? Which one do you prefer? And of course, in everyday life, you always have to express your preference or a choice between two things. Should we take this bus or that bus? Which restaurant do you want to go to? Oh, I'd prefer Chinese food tonight. Oh no, I'd rather eat Italian food. Or of course, when you're looking for a place to live. Would you rather live on the high floors or would you rather live on the ground floor? These are really common everyday conversations. Okay, let's have a quick practice. Would you rather eat chocolate cake or vanilla cake? Are you trying to speak? I'd prefer or I prefer. This is optional. We only do the D for would here to be polite. That's all. Just for politeness. I prefer the chocolate one. I'd rather eat the chocolate one. Or you can say, I'd like the chocolate one, please, because of course now you are expressing a like as well, not just a choice. What about this one? You're going on a holiday around Europe. Which do you prefer? To get a Eurail pass or just fly around by plane? You can say, I'd much rather take the train, or I prefer getting around by plane. Notice the ing, because travelling by plane is a long action. And this one. For me, this is completely untrue. I'm not going to go to the South Pole or the North Pole. But if I had a choice, I'd go to the South Pole. This is only in my imagination. So I'm here to help. Please send any questions to teacher.myenglishfuture@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website or find me on YouTube for many more free English lessons. Bye!